Are you tired of using manual grease guns for your equipment? I know I am. So today I got one of these automatic electric battery operated ones from VEVOR. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks pretty cool. So you do have a battery, you got your charger, it's got all the tools that you need, you got your little wrenches and everything in here. So to load this up, it's going to be pretty similar to any of the other ones. Also pull back your plunger. Oop. And today I'm using this Mystic grease. Load that in here, make sure you pull off your tab here or it's not going to work. Whoa, a little greasy. You could always throw this in that little tab so you don't make a mess. Oh, there's a little LED. There's also a little LED light on there. All right, really easy to get it out. And now with this, we could easily do our connection points. That is so much easier. Yeah, if you're looking for a grease gun though, definitely get you one of these from VEVOR. It definitely makes it a heck of a lot easier to grease everything.